Welcome to O Morgan Studios. Toy Story 4 Ukulele, my first act discovery. This is basically a review and a tutorial. I'm going to go over tuning, comparison with a wood ukulele, and we're going to play a song at the end. I tuned it a whole step down because the first act ukulele is plastic. It's not as strong as a wooden ukulele. And then I noticed when I tried to tune it, it would have a rubber band effect. It would go up, but then it would stretch, and then it would go back down. It needs lower string tension to kind of go around this rubber band effect. Comparison, wood ukulele, you have better strings, electronics, tuner, but it's not appealing to 3-year-olds or children. It's not colorful. It doesn't have characters on it, but it has a better sound, more expensive. The first stack ukulele is plastic. You have basic toy plastic strings, no electronics. Your artwork is more appealing to children, though. Your children will probably like it better. It has an okay sound if you tune it a whole step down. It's less expensive, and you could always typo replace with better ukulele strings. Maybe that can make it a little bit better. Okay, here's a song here. I'm going to play on this ukulele. 1, 2, 3. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Okay, so you can see it's an okay sound, and you can always change the strings and try to make it sound better. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, leave comments below, and we'll see you next time.